Hi, I'm Sensei Adrienne with Great Start Karate, and I'm going to show you today how to tie the belt around the uniform. Okay, so face me, thank you. You want to start right in the center and go around. When we get to the back, turn a little bit, you're going to tuck one in. So we cross it, but then you're going to tuck one side in. We're going to cross one in, and when we get to the front, it'll just go across and there'll be one part of the belt that's on top. So I have one on top. Let me face you this way just a little bit. One on top. And this is the most important part of where we're tying the belt, is this top portion has to go under both bands of the belt. So it's not just one, it's under both bands of the belt. And we pull it through and it'll just hang there. So we know it's under both of the belt, both bands of the belt. And then we just do a knot to secure it, and it won't go anywhere. And on turn behind so you can see it's all one. So you can see when I lift one, you'll see two parts of the belt, but they're tucked in, making one. And then we turn, and it goes underneath both parts of the belt, and just make that knot, and it'll stay on for all of class. High five. Thank you, Riel. Thanks for watching.